have so many childhood memories of Christmas. Just Christmas in the Smokies is absolutely beautiful. But I remember all the things that we used to do. But I would have to say that there are two Christmas memories to me that stand out. One being that my brother Randy was born around Christmas, so we always called him our Christmas gift, our Christmas baby. In fact, I even wrote a song this year that's in my new Christmas album. It's called You Are My Christmas, and I get to sing it with my brother Randy and Heidi, who both have worked on the park there for many years. And my other memory, other than our walking, talking doll named Randy, is the fact that years ago, my mom and dad got married when they were very young, and they didn't have the money to buy a ring. Mom had a house full of kids and never had a wedding band. So Daddy said, this year, why don't we all just pitch in any little dab we was going to spend on each other or with someone else and buy Mama a wedding band. We were all for it, so we got to make a game out of that. And the one that Daddy said, well, I'm going to hide the ring, and whoever finds the ring on Christmas when we give it to Mom, then they'll get the special prize. So we all looked through everything and tore down half the Christmas tree, tore down half the house, looking for the ring, finally found it. I swear that I found it. My brother Denver swears he found it. So we about tore the house down fighting, trying to get the ring. So anyway, truth be told, Daddy had got a big box of candy for the one that found the ring, but it was so big that we had to share it with everybody else, so it really was a gift for all of us. And Mama loved her ring, so that will always be special. I even wrote a story called Circle of Love, and that kind of represented that ring to me and the family circle. And that's one of the songs that's also in my new album this year, that we did the movie on NBC called Christmas in Many Colors, Circle of Love, right there at Dollywood. We did the big premiere. Well, Christmas, personally to me, means the birth of Jesus Christ, who I'm so happy every year to say happy birthday, dear Jesus. And so to me, I think sometimes we forget the true meaning of Christmas, those of us of the Christian faith. And so, but to me, the other part is like being with family, eating all that food, eating as much of it as you can, not feeling guilty about it till the first of the year, trying to get that all off of you. But just being with family and friends, all that great music, all the decorations, and it's just a joyful time. It's just a holiday. The holiday season is just a joyful time to get out, have fun, and just kind of just love the season, all the colors and all the presents and all the stuff that go with Christmas. Well, I love the fact that Dollywood is now known for a tradition. People come from all over the country, even all over the world now, because word gets around. And Christmas is, I've mentioned before in different questions and things that I've talked about, but it's just like a wonderland, and everybody loves all the music that goes with Christmas. They play that on the park all the time, millions of lights, so radiant, all the great music that they have to go with it, and the families that take part in everything we do, all the food and the drinks. It's just like you don't have to do all that at home. You can get out and go somewhere. It gives you somewhere to go, gives you something to look forward to, and just make it like a winter vacation. Well, my favorite thing about Dollywood Christmas is everything. It's really got something for everybody, and it's beautiful, and it's joyful, and it's just perfect.